And using these characters, I recognize like 50, 60 species in the world. And the species in the monographic work in 1899 classified into 2 subgenera plus 4 sections. And I'm not the person to test this hypothesis, but this guy, the American group in 2010, published the first phylogeny of the genus, Nias. And then they already included the subgenus Nias plus subgenus Caulinia, including 2 sections, Americanae and then Eubagnae. So what I need to do is to collect specimen belong to this one, Spathaceae, the section Spathaceae and section Nudae, and then revise and update this phylogeny to test the Lando's classification. And then here's the other genus, Eliocaurum. This is a huge genus, like 200 species, 300 species in the world. And then some species have robust and then wider leaved species, and some species are submerged and then narrow leaved. And some species have 1 flower, and some species are multiple flowers. By the way, this one is probably in species. And then here, some species have hairy leaves, and other species have non-hairy. And then this one, the inflorescence, and then this species have a leather-like texture, but this one has a soft and hairy inflorescence head. And sometimes species have remarkable morphology like this, Gnuratum and Michelliana. And then this inflorescence comprises many flowers, like female flowers and male flowers. And even in the flower has some important characters, like this male flower. Some species have tubular sepal, but this one is segregated. And for the female flower, some species have 3 sepal, some species have only 2. So we use this character to recognize species in the world. And again, for this genus, some inflogenetic classification proposed. And these 2 are Chinese peoples and Chinese botanists. In the 1991 and 1997 proposed this one, a classification of 3 sections, including 6 series. But here, some 1999 published a classification of 4 sections. And there's not many overlap species in general. It's a totally different hypothesis. And here's the Indian researchers, Ansari and then Balakurishuran, 2009, proposed another totally different classification of 12 sections. So today I want to test these, if some of these reflect the phylogeny of the genus. And here you can see the taxon sampling of the genus Nias and then genus Eliocaurum. I collected 53 samples from the world, including Europe, Asia, and Australia, and some gene bank accession from America. And for the Eliocaurum,